Hello, this is Keegan. This is my first homework. Let's get started. So I open my homework or I open the file by just dragging and dropping the file into a Google Chrome tab. Um, my computer's very slow right now because of the screen share, but it should work. See right here, this is the homework. I pull it to the left, right here, and it loads in. So yeah, it looks exactly to how it should look. It looks pretty much identical to picture in the homework. And let's go over the code. We do that just by going to inspect element, and that should open any second. Yeah, so I start off with HTML, and then we divide it into head and body like industry standard. Within the head, we can specify like different styles. If we open styles, we specify different styles. Here I have big, dark, and dim. And these are not hard coded variables. These are things I defined. I defined big as setting the font size to 26 pixels, dark to setting the font weight to bold, and dim to setting the text color to this ID. And I got the ID number by simply searching up what is a good gray number for words in Google. Moving on to the body section. As you can see here, I divided the text up into three different bodies, I guess, or three different sections, and each one is in its own div bracket. I'm gonna expand all those here. So yeah, by putting text into a div bracket, you put it in its own body, and within a body, or yeah, anywhere really, you can do a line break, and I did that by simply doing. Let me find an example. It's the BR bracket, like right here. Yeah, for every BR, it'll do a line break. And the coolest part of this is the span class. You do the span class to specify what style you want your text. For example, this word when right here, when I hover things, it highlights on the left. When I want to set to dim, I want a gray text, so I do class dim. You can also do multiple. For example, if you look at Robert and Alexander's selectables after dinner party, that should be higher up. It's right here. I highlighted. You can put multiple in here. I want it dark and I want it big, and I put that in the same string, and it can reference back up here where I classified, where I defined what big and dark mean. Another cool thing is, let's say go here, we can toggle on and off these attributes. So for example, this has dot dark and dot big. Then this is like where I defined it earlier. If I toggle it off, the bold goes away and everything just kind of goes back to default. Same with big. If I toggle this off, it no longer sets the big to 26 pixels and it goes to whatever default pixel it was. And now it looks kind of boring. Yeah, that's about it.